Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is the AirPods Pro, Apple's latest pair of earbuds. They've got noise cancelling, they're portable, they're convenient, and you may have thought they're only really good for iPhone and Apple users, but you might be wrong. You can actually pair the AirPods Pro with an Android phone or frankly any device that has Bluetooth on it. So it may be true that there's added convenience in having an Apple device, specifically an iPhone, which makes it really easy and quick to connect and pair, and then have it paired across all your Apple devices under that same iCloud account. But if you have an Android phone, you can still take advantage of some of the benefits of having the AirPods Pro. So I'm going to show you how to pair them and then show you what you can still do with them, even if you don't have an iPhone. So first up, what you need to make sure that you do is go into your phone's Bluetooth settings. Now you can do this by dropping down the quick shade settings from the top and then long pressing on the Bluetooth icon, or you can just go into the main settings menu, go to the Bluetooth menu and then pair a new device. Now once you've done that, flip your AirPods Pro lid open and press and hold the little button that you'll find on the back of the case. Hold it for a few seconds and this launches them into pairing mode. If you turn it around, you'll see that the white light on the front is pulsing slowly, and you should find that it appears in the list of available devices on your Android device. Tap on the AirPods Pro in the list and then make sure you select to allow this access to your contacts and your phone so that you can make phone calls and send text messages and all other form of voice dictation. Now one thing that is worth noting is if you've paired it with an iPhone already before you've gone to try and pair it with an Android device, you will need to tell your iPhone to forget them because it stores the data in iCloud and it'll automatically think it's paired with something and then refuse the pairing request from another device. But otherwise it's simple, just press and hold the button on the back, wait for the white light to pulse on the front, and then select it from your available devices in your Bluetooth menu. Now once this is done, you're paired and you're ready to go. So when you're listening to music, the touch-sensitive buttons on the side of the AirPods will still work. So if you tap it once, it pauses the track. If you long press it, like press and hold it, this will switch your ANC or active noise cancelling on or off. And if you double tap it quickly, you will skip through the tracks. And this works on Android just as well as it would work on iPhone. So a little bit fiddly because again, there are no buttons, it's all touch sensitive, but it does work. The one thing you don't get is that Hey Siri voice activation that automatically launches Siri, because of course there are always benefits to having Apple devices within an Apple ecosystem. But apart from that, you get all the same features. They sound as good, the noise cancelling works just as well, and you can control your music as if it was an iPhone. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter. You can ask me questions on there if you need any other help with anything. You can also use the comments section down below. And I'll see you again in the next one.